Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Dynasty Destiny on your iPhone, and this is a detailed guide. Step number 1, open up your App Store, locate an app on your phone which is called the App Store, and go ahead and open it, and then search for the game, and then the search game over here, search for Dynasty Destiny. Once you search for that game, find it and look for the Dynasty Destiny game, which is or which should be officially licensed by NBA. So guys, be careful, you may download a game which is not licensed officially by the NBA, so you'll be just robbing yourself. Okay, so step number 3, find the game, look for it, and then download it. Once you download it, go ahead and do the authentication. By authenticating, you either use your Face ID, as you can see, or use a Touch ID on your iPhone passcode, and then go ahead and allow it to start downloading. After that, go ahead and install the game, and then it will automatically start downloading. And then after that, on your home, you'll find at the home screen the completed installation, and then go ahead and open it. So that's it guys, make sure to like and subscribe. We shall meet.